first and foremost, I just want to make sure that everyone understands that we believe KTSC is a very vital organization, and they are consistently performing exceptionally in our community. While the board deals with the issues related to the compensation controversy, we have been depending on our very talented and dedicated and experienced staff to continue their important work that they do each and every day. The board will be meeting tomorrow to discuss the issues related to the compensation controversy, and we will be talking about how we need to resolve those issues. As Ward said, the meeting is tomorrow at the KTSC office. It's at 1:30, open to the public, and everyone is welcome to attend. KTSC is very committed to sharing all information and having full disclosure, as well as helping everyone understand the tremendous benefit we provide to this community. We look forward to continuing to work closely with our partners at the city and the county, as well as other organizations and venues to attract visitors and meetings to Knoxville. These efforts have consistently resulted in over $100 million each year in economic impact to our community. I think it's also important for the board to take a step back and look at our structure and how we are governed, and we certainly need to work very closely with both the city and the county in those discussions, as they are our major customers.
In looking at the board minutes, there does not appear to be any record of the executive committee discussing or approving Ms. Ray's most recent contract. I believe it was signed in 2008, and the extension that was signed last year that allows for the $86,000 and the $166,000 retention bonus. Does that mean that it's not valid?
Well, here's the problem with your question. Of course, I have been retained as their counsel, and I have been meeting with my clients to go over the legal ramifications of the board directors meetings, the executive committee meetings, the documents themselves. I'm not at liberty to tell you what my legal advice is, but you will find out tomorrow. As really, in fairness to the board, they need an opportunity to explain what has occurred, and you can ask any questions. We're going to be completely above board, but I can't give you any legal advice that I've given them, or otherwise we'd waive a privilege.
I think everything is on the table. I mean, I think that people in the community who serve on these wonderful boards, they do it because we love Knoxville. And I think our board is very passionate about promoting tourism and bringing visitors into this great city. And I think we all need to do what's best in the best interest of the organization. The focus needs to be KTSC. It doesn't need to be a single individual, because it's that entire team working in partnership with the city and the county and other organizations and other venues. They're doing tremendous work, and our local community is benefiting from that tremendous work. And I don't think, I will speak for myself, you know, we want to do the right thing, and I think the focus has to be on KTSC, and it has to be on what's in the best interest of that organization so they can get back to doing business. And that this controversy, which has been very distracting, you know, that it goes away, or maybe it doesn't go away, but the KTSC and that organization can move forward. So I think everything is open and on the table for discussion tomorrow.
Let me say one other thing. It probably appears odd to the press that the board has not done anything or said anything in the face of all these repeated articles. It's been my advice that they cannot meet and deliberate until we give a public notice and we do it the right way, and that's exactly what we're going to do.
Will Ms. Ray be at the meeting tomorrow?
I can't speak for Ms. Ray. She's certainly welcome to be at the meeting.
Have there been any other resignations, either from the board or the staff of the organization, in the last 2 weeks?
Not to my knowledge.
Not to my knowledge.
Is Ms. Ray still the CEO?
Yes.
Yes.
The main message here is we want to do the right thing. We will. We will discuss all these issues tomorrow. The board members will have their opportunity to state their involvement and understanding of the facts, and Ms. Ray will have her opportunity, and we welcome you to come.